Hello, dear friends. I'm Koresh Babu, a retired lecturer in English from Hyderabad. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the interrogative sentences. I therefore request all of you to pay a very good attention to this video. Now, let's get into the video. What are the interrogative sentences? Any sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. In other words, it is a simple question. This question is a general English term, and this interrogative sentence is a grammatical term. That is only the difference between this question and interrogative sentence. And here it always ends with a question mark. An interrogative sentence or a question always ends with a question mark. In the English language, you can come across two types of questions. What are they? The first one is ordinary or verbal questions that begin with helping verbs. You know very well about the helping verbs: am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, do, does, did, shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, must. So these are all called helping verbs, and therefore they are called verbal questions also. And another name is also there for these questions, that is the yes no questions, because the answer to these questions will be either yes or no, and therefore these ordinary questions or these verbal questions are also called yes no questions. And here you pay attention. Are is a helping verb. Are you a student? Do is also a helping verb. Do you smoke? Has is also a helping verb. Has she attended the interview? Can he play chess? Can is also a helping verb. Will they join the party? So all these words that are given in the red color are called helping verbs. Any question that begins with the helping verbs and ends with a question mark is called an ordinary question or a verbal question or an yes no question, because the answer to all these questions is either yes or no. WH questions. These questions will begin with WH words. What are the WH words? Who, whom, whose, what, which, why, where, when, etc. These are all called WH words. Any question that begins with the WH word is called a WH question. For example, who is she? What is your name? Why are you so sad? How did he solve it? Where have they met him? So in this way, in these 5 examples, who, what, why, how, where, these are all called WH words. And the questions that begin with these WH words are called WH questions. And the questions that begin with helping verbs are called ordinary questions or verbal questions or yes no questions. So this is all about the interrogative sentences. With this, this video will come to an end. Thank you so much for watching this video.